All right, guys. So after minting your DNA on the Zerion Zerion app, sorry. The next thing you have to do is to come here to the first link I sent you. So we're going to be using the Zerion web app. Click on Zerion app. I'm going to connect my MetaMask. Oh, it's already connected. So this is my wallet. I come here to NFT. This is my NFTs. This is my Zerion DNA. Okay. So once we've done that, the next thing we're going to do is to go to bridge. I'm gonna close this. We're gonna go to bridge. So you can find bridge here. Bridge, okay. So we're going to be bridging to different networks. Okay. I'm going to be bridging from Arbitrum. I'll bridge from Arbitrum to let's say 0.001. So we're going to bridge it through different networks. Take note, guys. I said it's gonna cost $2. Maybe I should have bridged from. Why is Arbitrum costing that much? It's because it's Ethereum. Okay, let's say BSC. No bridges support this trade. Okay, I guess I say you Netflix is there. Let's bridge from BSC to Polygon. I'm not still the same. Um, obviously the fee is much. So I don't know. Finance is fee, but the reason why I put down is this is difficult. I'm trying to see the one with the less fee. Okay, that's what I'm trying to do. That's what I'm trying to do. So, how about optimism? Optimism to Arbitrum, for example. Let's see the fee for optimism to Arbitrum. If the fee is the same, that means all transactions on Zerion cost almost the same fee. Cancel this. Let's see. Strange. Optimism to Arbitrum. What's it saying? say 0.00. Isn't that strange? Okay, it costs $1.87. That's still okay. So wait for that to be. Let's bridge from arbitrum to optimism. $2. Which is on that chain. I recommend at least three bridging. So let's see, Ethereum to arbitrum. $11. That's good. That's very good. Let's shift. So let's see USC to Polygon. Let's say USDT to USDT. Okay, what about USDT to Matic? Doesn't exist. What about the other way around? USDT to BNB? Doesn't exist. Okay. How about Optimism to BSC? Optimism or BSC to Optimism? No, that's not exist. Alright guys, it seems a lot doesn't exist, so I'm going to keep trying. Mm, Strange, eh? I've only been able to do one. I'm trying to cut fee here. What about Aurora? Yeah, I don't have Avalanche. I don't have Phantom. I don't have Optimism. Okay, we've been able to bridge one, so I'm going to leave that for now. Let's go to swap. I'll be swapping on BSC. I'll be swapping USDT to BNB. Take $3. So I'm going to be making three swaps. The whole idea was to make three bridging, three swaps. You understand? Like we always said, 10 transactions. So, but the fee is no. Anyway, we'll find a way around. I'll check it out. So this costs 22 cents. It's on Binance chain. So be sending Do another one on BSC chain. So $2 to USDC. So we made two swaps now. Um, let's try and change that back. Okay, just to do more transactions in 0.001. That's about $2. 0.01. Okay, to change that back to the USDT. BNB to USDT. Why is the fee? Yeah, I won't do that. Let's try and swap the USDC back to USDT. Let's see how the fee of that one is. So that's two swaps. It's 26 cents. So that's perfect. So let's go to another chain. Try to do another two. So let's see if we can do another two here. Anything that is above $1, we're not going to do it. Go to another chain. As most times, it's always good to have something in all chains. At least, let's see what optimism is saying. Okay, that's another swap we've made on optimism. Let's make another one again. Mm, top tier balance. Okay, I don't have it here again. Let's do the USDT. Okay, the approval keeps failing. Okay, keeps failing. Let's do on Polygon. Mm, looks like having 10 transactions here will be difficult, but Doesn't matter anyway. The time is mostly for test nets. This is main net, so we just have to do what we can do. Doesn't matter. It's the main net. I think the site is lagging. Let me pause this video.